Zhejiang Qibin Technology Company Limited and its associated company, Haiyan Lixiang Electronic Technology Company Limited, are located in Haiyan City. Enjoying convenient transportation. We are a professional manufacturer of frequency inverters, integrating, R&D, production, and sales. We have a modern plant area of more than 21,000 square meters with international manufacturing and testing equipment, intelligent laboratory. We also own excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. Our products are certificated by ISO 9001 and CE, etc. The main products, solar pumping variable frequency, drives, elevator drives, universal inverters, and related products are widely used in steel, building materials, textile, printing, and machine tool industries, etc. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. We support small MOQ and fast delivery time. If you have any new ideas for the products, please contact us. We are glad to bring you the satisfied products. With decades of experience in the frequency inverters industry, our products are selling well around China. Furthermore, we have created partnerships with thousands of customers worldwide such as Southeast Asia, Middle East, Europe, the USA, and other areas. Thanks to our flexible production capacity, adhering to the principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.